Student and all. Today we are going to take a look towards the another type of discussion, that is how to join Google Classroom. Now due to the COVID-19, we are facing the challenge of online classes and all these things, and for this reason it is important to know very well about this Google Classroom, how to join this Google Classroom. Now, first of all, we can take a look towards the requirements to join the Google Classroom. The first thing which is required, that is email ID. Gmail oriented email ID is required. Along with that, password and the Google Classroom app is required. These are the three most important requirements. Another requirement is also there, for example, laptop or mobile, internet. These are the secondary requirement. But email ID, password and Google Classroom app, these are the most important requirement to join. Now what are the steps? The first step to join is the open the website of the Gmail, that is www.gmail.com. Then log in by the given email ID and password. Then go to Google Classroom and add the given email ID and password to the Google Classroom and log in. Along with that, you can also go to the different classroom and view the content which is present in that particular Google Classroom. So these are nothing but the few steps. We are going to take a look towards the steps in detail. Now there will be two different types. One, login through the laptop or PC. So one can use a laptop or PC, and the another one is there. So by using laptop or PC, first we need to open the Google with the Internet Explorer. Type www.gmail.com and click on go. Then the Gmail page will open, and if you have already added the account, or if you want to add the another account, so click on that particular add account icon, so that the given email ID and password you can add to the Gmail. So if you have already Gmail account, no problem. If you are going to add another Gmail account, you need to click on add account. So as you click on this, the another parameter will appear. So another parameter will appear, and in that particular parameter you need to add the your email ID. So here you need to add the email ID, and after adding email ID you need to click on the next button. So as you click on the next button, you need to add the password, and as you click on the password, next you need to add the or click on the next button. After next button, you can get this particular window. In this you have to accept the terms and condition, and now you are in the Gmail account. So your Gmail account is open now. Now here you can see the link or the invitation was appeared, and you have to click on that invitation so that you can enter to the Google Classroom. Or otherwise you can again go to the next button. You can again click on the next, and you can sign in to the Google Classroom by using the website of the classroom, that is classroomgoogle.com. Now after getting inside to the classroom, you need to select your role, whether you are student or teacher. So as you click on one, you will get this particular, and again you need to join to the given class or join to the invitation sent by the teacher if you are student. So this is nothing but the total process to join through the PC or through the laptop. Now login through mobile. How we can log in through mobile? It is quite different method. So in this we need to first of all download the Google Classroom from the Play Store. So after getting this, you can get the Google Classroom icon. So the first icon you can see, green color icon is there. So click on that and you will start to the download. So it will download, and later on you need to open the Google Classroom. So after clicking on the open, the Google Classroom will open. Now here you need to add your email ID and your password. So as you click on the email ID and as you click on the password, or as you add the password and click on the next button, you will get again the terms and condition. You need to agree that terms and condition, and later on you will get to the classroom. So here you will get the classes which is invited by the people to you, or invitation given by the people to you. So this is nothing but the BSc first year, and you need to join that particular class. So in this way you can join to the class and see the content which is in that particular given class. So after joining this, you will get the content inside to that particular class. So this is nothing but the short description how to join to the Google Classroom.